So I want you to picture something right now. Imagine you're waking up to recurring payments every morning instead of an alarm clock. Instead of commuting back and forth to work and getting ready every morning and going all crazy to do stuff, instead of doing that, you're creating. So you're creating instead of commuting. It's awesome. Your phone rings, and when the Skool platform, when you use it, it actually goes ching, like when you would get a new member. So imagine that. You see your phone buzzing, you're doing a video like this, you're putting these out here. We show you how to do all that stuff, by the way. But you're doing stuff like this, and you start getting members into your community, and you get to work with people actually doing stuff that you actually enjoy doing. And that's not some fantasy thing. That's actually what happens. We were able to build up a Skool community to over 140,000 a month. And we have several communities now that are doing 50, 60, 70 grand a month. And the big thing is you stop working for the income. You start actually building an asset that produces time for you. I have members in there right now. They pay month after month. I did the work already inside of there to get them in there. And then once they're in there, I simply get on a weekly call. That's it. That's all you do. I get on one weekly call, and I actually get to help people. And then throughout that time, I just get to check on the community and make sure they're getting everything figured out, answering some questions here and there. It's very, very simple. And as far as creating the actual content to do the work each week, you can do it in a couple hours a day. And if you're smart about it, you can just batch create all your YouTube content, and then you don't have to worry about grinding every day. You just get it all done in a day or two, and then for the whole week, you have the rest of the week to work on whatever you want to work on. Think about it like this. Your Skool grows, your stress goes down, and then your freedom starts compounding, because it's not only time, it's also financial. Because when your income is coming in recurring in an automatic way, you stop going into survival mode all the time, and you start to be able to design and be creative with your life and do things and go on vacations and, do stuff that you actually want to do. So hopefully that proves enough why having a Skool community beats any job out there. Next, what I want to do is I want to show you how you don't have to start from scratch, how you don't have to just plug along and wonder how it happens, right? And like, okay, you said create a Skool, but how do you actually do that? Even if you've never posted a video before in your life, you can actually do this stuff. Because in this next episode, there's going to be a video popping on the screen here in just a minute. It'll show you how to actually launch your first Skool community in just 7 days. And honestly, if you really wanted to, you could just launch it in a single day.